Morning class 7. So we have read the third chapter of your book, that is the affirmative sentences and the negative sentences. In my previous class I have told you about the affirmative and the negative sentences. So I have given you the homework that you have to do from page number 13 to page number 15. I hope that you have done that. Okay. So in this class I will discuss the exercises which are given from page number 13 to page number 15. So first of all, open page number 13 of your book. First of all, open page number 13 and hold one pencil in your hand. So I can discuss the exercise with you. If you have done it correct, then it's okay. If some mistake is there, so kindly erase that and write that sentence again. So it is not possible for me to write each and every sentence on the blackboard. So I will discuss this verbally, okay? Because each exercise contains 20 sentences. So this is not possible for me to write each and every sentences on the blackboard. So I will discuss this verbally, and after that I will share the answers in the assignment column. Okay? I will share the answers in the assignment. You can check the answers from there also. First question is, change the following affirmative to negative. The sun rose at 6 o'clock. The sun rose at 6 o'clock. The sentence is given. The sentence is given in your book. Okay, rose. R-O-S-E, rose. Rose, it is not a flower over here. It is a past form of rise. Okay. The second form of rise is this and the first form is rise. Okay. So, it is in second form. The second form of verb is used over here. You can understand that rose is in second form. So this sentence is in simple past tense. This sentence is in simple past tense. Okay. I hope this is clear to you. You can understand that the sentence is in simple past tense. So what is the rule? How you will change the sentence of simple past tense affirmative into negative? So like this, subject plus did not, then verb first form. Remember, you have to use verb first form over here, and after that rest part of the sentences. So how you will frame? The sun did not rise. R-I-S-E, rise. The sun did not rise, because we will use first form of the verb. The sun did not rise at 6 o'clock. So like this we have changed our simple past tense into negative one. I hope this is clear to you. So our next sentence is, Priya is reading a book. Priya is reading a book. How you will change that in negative? Priya is not reading a book. Yes or no? Priya is not reading a book. It will be very hot there. How you will change the negative one? It will not be hot there. You will add not over there. Will not. Will not. He can do anything. He can't do anything. I hope this is clear to you. He can do anything. He cannot do anything. Okay. Any one of you should go there. Any one of you should go there. No one should go there. Anyone will changes to no one. Anyone will be changes to no one. Remember that. Anyone will change to no one. Okay. Now write down the answer. I hope you have done that. Now sixth one is, let them go. Let them go. It is an imperative sentence. So how you will write? Don't let them go. I have told you na, in imperative you will use don't. Yes or no? So how you will write? Don't let them go. You can read it easily. You can't read it easily, or you cannot read it easily. Yes or no? She is able to do this work. She is not able to do this work. You have done your duty. You have not done your duty. But see that I am adding not over there. It is an imperative sentence. And what we will add? We will add don't. Yes or no? Remember this? In imperative sentence, we use don't. Don't stand up. Take this medicine if you have fever. Do not take this medicine if you have fever. Do not take this medicine if you have fever. Okay. That jar has some biscuits in. That jar has will be converted into. Now we will not change has over here. Don't think that we have only add not over there. No, you cannot add not over there because has is used as the main verb. Has is used as the main verb over there. See, I am writing it on the blackboard. Understand that from there only. Okay. What is the question? That it is the 12th one. Okay. That jar has some biscuits in it. So has, here has is working as a main verb. Here has is working as a main verb. Okay. So now how we will write the sentence? That jar. Jar is only one. One jar is there. So we will write does not. That jar does not have. That jar does not have any biscuits. Okay. You have to change like this. Some is also changed into any. Has converted into have. We have add does not over there. So you have to change like this. Match the answer. If you have done it correct, then it's okay. If some mistake is there, you can make the changes right now. Remember that here has is working as a main verb. Here has is working as a main verb. That's why we have added does not. Does not have. That jar does not have any biscuits. Understood? Now anybody can take this. Anybody can take this. Anybody can be converted into nobody. Anybody changes to nobody. Remember this. Repeat after me. Anybody changes to nobody. Anybody changes to nobody. Nobody can take this. Nobody can take this. Okay. Shivani is sure of her success. Shivani is not sure. Shivani is sure. Shivani is not sure. It is very simple. They should have come there. They should have come there. They should not have come there. They should not have come there. They were reading for the examination. They were reading for the examination. They were not ready for the examination. They were ready for the examination. They were not ready for the examination. The principal will be in his office at 10 a.m. The principal will not be in his office at 10 a.m. This well is very deep. This well is very deep. This well is not very deep. Very simple. The thief had. Remember that. Here had is working as a main verb. Had a pistol with him. So how you will write? I will write this answer on the blackboard so you can check now. It is written like this. The thief had a pistol with him. Okay. Here had is working as a main verb. Yes or no? I hope this is clear to you. So, and this is had. It means it is in past tense. Okay. So how we will write? The thief, okay, did not. Now we will not write had over there. Now we will write have. क्योंकि we will write first form of the verb. Did not have a pistol with him. Write down the answer. Now 21. Someone has called you. No one has called you. Someone will be converted to no one. No one has called you. Okay. I hope you have done all 20 sentences. Now change the following affirmative to negative. Again you have to change that into negative one. And how you will do that? Just check it from here. I will not write each of the sentences on the blackboard because it is not possible for me to write all the sentences on the blackboard. That's why I am discussing these exercises verbally, and after that I will share the answers to you in the assignment section. Change the following affirmative to negative. He is both helpful and kind. This is complicated. You will not write he is not. You will make changes over here. He is both helpful and kind. He is both helpful and kind. So how you will write? He is neither helpful nor kind. Because both is used over here, you will convert like this only. He is neither helpful nor kind. Okay. Just make the correction over there. Now next one. She is beautiful. She is not beautiful. They are hardworking. They are not hardworking. There are many interesting storybooks in this book. There are many storybooks. There are many interesting storybooks in this book. Okay. So how you will write? How you will write down the answer? So how you will write down the answer? There are not. There are not. Okay. Many interesting stories in this book. How you will write? You will make are not over there. Are plus not. The bus was late. The bus was not late. The girls were in the class. The girls were not in the class. The girls were not in the class. They have finished their work. They have not finished their work. Meena is coming today. Meena is not coming today. My uncle will go tomorrow. My uncle will not go tomorrow. These sentences are very simple and you can do it by your own also. My father has come. My father has not come. These lights have become dim. These lights have not become dim. The bell was ringing. The bell was not ringing. Those birds are thirsty. Those birds are not thirsty. The boys were playing football. The boys were not playing football. The teacher will give Mohan a prize. The teacher will not give Mohan a prize. Okay. My servant will bring you some food. My servant will not bring you any food. Some will be converted into any. Remember that. Some will be converted to any. Okay. You have to make the changes like this. So you have to read the full sentence for that. My servant will not bring you any food. Will not any. Will not any. Okay. I hope this is clear to you. They were writing a letter to their father. They were not writing a letter to their father. This machine is working well. This machine is not working well. That is the end of the story. That is not the end of the story. It was a good example. It was not a good example. Okay, just check the answer. After that, I will discuss exercise 3 with you all. Now we will do exercise 3. Change the following negative sentences to the affirmative. Change the following negative sentences to the affirmative. Okay. Some sentences are there. They are in negative form and we have to change that into affirmative. Exercise 3 given on page number 15. Okay. We did not know what he was doing. The sentence is we did not know what he was doing. Okay. So you can understand that we is a subject over here. Did not, it is in past tense. Know is verb first form and this is the predicate of predicate. Okay, predicate. So you have to change this into negative. So now think, what is the past form of know? Okay, this is the first form. So what is the second form of know? Because the sentence is in simple past tense. So you have to change that. So how you will write subject plus verb second form. Subject plus verb second form. So what is the second form? Second form is knew. K-N-E-W. K-N-E-W. So how we will write? We will write down the answer like this. We knew. We knew what he was doing. We will not make any changes over here. We will make the changes over here only. Okay? Just do this. So, she did not get up very early this morning. She got up very early this morning. The telephone has been repaired. So, the question is, the telephone has not been repaired. So, how you will write down the answer? The telephone has been repaired. Remove not from there. We do not play tennis daily. We do not play tennis daily. So how we will write? We play tennis daily. We play tennis daily. I shall not be seeing him tomorrow. I shall be seeing him tomorrow. Remove not from there. They may not have gone home. They may have gone home. Remove not from there. She cannot come to the party on Saturday. She can come to the party on Saturday. The weather is not very nice today. The weather is very nice today. She has not got a very interesting job. She has got a very interesting job. He does not like traveling by air. He likes traveling by air. Yes or no? So we have done exercise 3 and I hope you have just make a correction over there if something you have written wrong. Now exercise 4. Read the following negative sentences in another way. The clues in bracket will help you. Okay. The clues in the bracket will help you. Now we will do exercise 4. Exercise 4. Write the following negative sentences in another way. The clues will in bracket will help you. I can wait here no longer. So how you will write the answer? I cannot wait here any longer. Okay. Just write down. And if you have already written, kindly make the correction over there. Next one. He can play neither football nor volleyball. So how you will write? You will write he cannot play football. He cannot play football or volleyball. Okay. Third one. he is not doing his homework or classwork properly. So how you will write? He is neither doing his homework nor classwork properly. Okay? I hope you have written like this only. I cannot give you any more money. So, I can give you no more money. Okay, fifth one. One must never lie or cheat. And you have to add must not. So how you will add? One must not ever lie or cheat. Okay, so these are the answers of exercise 4. Rest I will just all the answers I will share with you in the assignment section. After that, if you are having any doubt, you can raise your doubt from the doubt section. Okay, I have discussed the answer over here in my lecture, but if you have any problem, any queries, so you can check the answer from the assignment section also. And after that, if any problem is there that is not clear from that also, you can go to the School Log app and you can discuss the answer, or you can raise your doubt from there. Thank you and have a nice day.